Here is an Ayurvedic medicine which I could not resist sharing with you. I have seen many patients getting benefited by using this simple remedy for their heart ailments, cholesterol issues or blood pressure issues. This is how the bottle looks like. The name of the medicine is Cardorium Plus. I will just tell you about the different components which are there in this Ayurvedic herbal medicine. This contains Arjun, the bark of the Arjun tree, Gokru, then Pushkarmool, Vrikshmala, Jatamasi, Bronze and Zebakthorn. This formula is made by Dr. KVGS Murthy, an MBBS doctor. The pictures of some herbs which are used in this formula or making of this medicine. The bark of the Arjun tree is the main ingredient which is being used since years or 3000 years plus for the heart ailments, and this acts as a thinner, blood thinner. It is also used for balancing the three doshas in the body like Vat, Pitta and Kapha. Gokshara Churn or Gokshara is basically used for kidney related ailments, for cleaning the urinary tract infection or having stones in the kidneys. Basically it acts as a diuretic. Pushkarmool. It has been used to treat cardiovascular and respiratory problems as well as for weight loss. Other conditions treated traditionally with Pushkarmool includes bacterial infection, blood sugar, then asthma, bronchitis, cough and heart diseases. It's not commonly used, but it has also been used for fever, cough and cold, wound treatments, bloating, hiccups, anemia, then liver disorder, etc. Another very important ingredient used is Vrikshmala, which is basically used for controlling the cholesterol and triglycerides in the body. Then Jatamasi is also used, which is bitter in taste and it has got pitta balancing quality. It basically purifies blood and is used for skin diseases. It improves brain functions. Very important part it plays is improving the brain functioning of the brain. Then it improves skin complexion and luster, gives strength and immunity. Because it is pitta balancing, it relieves burning sensation. Then it's useful in herpes and skin diseases. It's useful in psychiatric conditions also, and also in the case of a person who is under depression. Bronze is another ingredient which is basically an antioxidant which is used to prevent a person from diseases like heart, liver, kidney and skin. This medicine can be consumed twice a day, like 10 ml in the evening, 10 ml in the morning. But every medicine which you should take after food. Any Ayurvedic medicine like that should be consumed after food with some water. You should not take any Ayurvedic medicine without diluting it basically. But one precaution you have to take when you are taking this Cardorium Plus is that if there is any operation due, one has to stop taking this medicine few days prior to that, because this is a blood thinner. So when you are having this medicine, your blood will become very thin and it will not be suiting you to the operation if you are undergoing any operation. So you have to stop taking few days back. The patients who are on allopathic medicine suffering from cardiac problems, heart issues, cholesterol issues or diabetes can take this medicine along with allopathic medicines after consulting an Ayurvedic doctor. And as the symptoms starts improving, as the issues start solving, they can reduce down the allopathic medicine. Once again, they have to consult with the doctor and reduce as required. But for sure, this medicine is very effective. We have seen the results, tested and tried. So this video should help some who are suffering from this kind of an issue.